Welcome back. Goa police is gearing up to strategically tackle Israeli drug peddler Atala's moves. In wake of recent violent act of Atala, Goa police is in the process to initiate legal action seeking cancellation of his bail. While on bail, Atala on Sunday had smashed a car after it dashed a signboard of Bubble Brunch Club at Anjuna. Bubble Brunch Club is allegedly being run by Atala in partnership with the Goan.
A senior officer of Goa Police confirmed to Prudent that they have taken strong cognizance of Atala's crime. The officer also informed that they are exploring the possibility of cancellation of Atala's bail. In this regard, Goa Police will seek legal opinion from the Directorate of Prosecution. Alleged Israeli drug peddler Yaniv Benaim alias Atala, who was arrested in police drugs nexus case, is presently out on bail. Atala is fearlessly running a beach club named Bubble Brunch Club at Anjuna in partnership with the Goan. Atala on Sunday smashed a four-wheeler because the car had brushed off the signboard of Bubble Brunch Club. The senior officer of Goa Police also informed that the license holder of Bubble Brunch Club is shielding Atala, but police will investigate Atala's links with the club thoroughly. Police is likely to call the license holder with all the documents soon. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Proposed football ground at Pilan is in the line of fire. Land proposed for the ground has been filled with mud. Locals claim that as per TCP report, the land is marked as eco-sensitive zone and has no permission from the department. Locals have slammed MLA Dilip Parulekar and TCP Minister Manohar Parrikar for laying foundation stone for the same football ground.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar and Tourism Minister laid a foundation stone for a football ground at Pilan, which CM's own TCP department says is an eco-sensitive zone. Locals term it as a chaos within the government. 27,300 square meters of land has been proposed for the ground. Land has been filled with mud, which locals claim is illegal.
That Mr. Manohar Parrikar, our Chief Minister, is also the Minister of Town and Country Planning. Ata teja town and country planning an remark malya. The area is low-lying, marked as Eco 1 fields as per RP21. Not advisable to allow such huge eco-sensitive area, paddy fields for filling. There is no permission given for filling of land. TCP and Teja department munta. Tuzo Sharkar. Tumi yon anga mati. Ata tumka mati gohal mun sangli kone. Permission na tumcha kode. Tu kaido nokoi chief minister tu. MLA khobar na kaido kite poite. Dio tumi. Ha? Hinchai lokachai gaan wasan tumka zai poite gora gaon pad gala. Either do the ground and give us. Do it legally. Otherwise, second, and je pad gatla amcha gawan, te tumi khud yon fore ani te zadu yon TV dakoy naka.
Locals demand that the ground be constructed only after obtaining legal permissions. They have slammed government for contradicting its Swachh Bharat Nitar Goy Abhiyan by leaving the proposed land in shambles and debris.
Yeta waita truck anga roster dagi me hota mun best stop jata ani apnachi garbage anga dumping chalu zala. Chief Minister आमच्या Parrikarak आणि आमचो MLA पळय हा सालिगांवचो दिलीप पारुलेकर कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करूंक तांकां की स्वस्थ भारत आणि नितळ गोंय म्हणटा पळय तें आमच्या पियान्नान ते पाड घालूंक येयला.
Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Truck owners are demanding that government should hand over to them the 35% subsidy amount rather than diverting it on debt relief scheme. Truck owners say that this 35% amount, which government is ready to pay on their outstanding loan amounts, will help them in surviving for at least another year. Some are saying that it may help them start a new business. At present, the loan relief scheme is stuck due to RBI strictures.
आणि आता 35% आपले लोक गव्हर्नमेंट आमकां दिता म्हणटा पूण कांय ना आज फाल्यां डेटी करीत डेटी दीत आसता की 35% कितें आतां सेटलमेंट बेगीन करा.
बँक तर रेडी ना कितें सोडपाक आमकां जाल्यार 35% गव्हर्नमेंटान आमकां दिवचें एके ओनराक आनी ते 35% घेवन आमी म्हाका दिसता एटलीस्ट आनी एक वर्स तरी उत्तम म्हणून जर गव्हर्नमेंटान आमकां 35% आमकां दिलें जाल्यार तूं एटलीस्ट आमच्यान आनी म्हणजे धंदो करूंक मेळटलो.
पळय आमकां सरकारान सांगलां 35% दितले म्हणून 35% म्हणजे 10 लाख जर लोन आसलो जायत जाल्यार 3.5 लाख दितले आनी 6.5 लाख तो भर म्हणटाले, पण आमचे कडेन जेन्ना एक पयसोच ना तेन्ना आमी भरूंक शकना. पूण हे जर 3.5 लाख दिले जायत आमचे भुरगे अर्दुगोटी शिकपा उरल्यात ती तेंचे शिक्षण पूर्ण करूंक शकतले आमी. ना हे बँकेक दिवपाचे ना पयशे, कारण ह्या आमकां दिवपाचे आनी बँकेन ती गाडी व्हरपाची.
आतां सरकारान बंद उडयल्ल्या कारणान म्हणजे आनी कांय चालत ना. दुसरें म्हळ्यार इन्स्टॉलमेंट भरताले म्हणजे गाडी लोनां आसा ते म्हणजे फारीक करूंक जायना. सरकारान 35% दिता म्हणलां, ते कशें दिता ते आमकां सरकारान दिवचें, कारण उरलो 60% उरले आमच्यान फारीक करून जावपा ना.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.